Hey, it's Paul. In today's video I'm going to explain functions in Python in only 2 minutes, so let's go. Functions help in organizing your code, making it more modular, readable and easier to maintain. They follow a specific syntax and structure. So here's a basic explanation of functions in Python. So in Python we use the keyword def to define a function. We then give the function a name, and optional we can also pass some parameters into the function that the function can then use to work with. Then we have an indented block of code that performs a specific task. And optionally a function can use the return keyword to return some sort of result from the task it just performed. So here's a very simple function called addNumbers that takes 2 input parameters, variable a and variable b, and then we just perform simple addition and return the result stored in this variable. We can now call the function by using the function name, and we then pass the parameters, in this case the value 3 for our variable a and 5 for our variable b. And because we have a return statement, we can save the result in a variable and then go ahead and just print it out. In this example we add 3 and 5 and get the result 8. So why should you use functions? First of all, for reusability. Functions allow you to define a block of code and reuse it in different places in your program. And this of course reduces redundancy. So right here, instead of printing hello and then different names multiple times, we just create a function that takes the name as an input and then returns a string hello name. Of course, this also allows us to use modularity, so we can break down more complex problems into smaller pieces, which makes the code more modular and easier to understand. So understanding and effectively using functions is a fundamental part in writing clear, maintainable and scalable Python code. If you have learned anything new, feel free to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.